Now, if you want to combine information from more than one table into one query, and it's not an append, you're not putting them one under each other, you're not doing a vertical merge, but you actually want to bring information from two or more tables into one table so that you've got one table, one source of truth, rather than have to work and juggle with multiple tables. Then you can do a merge query. So on the Home tab, I've got this Merge Queries button. If I hit the drop down, I want to merge as new and create a new query by merging information into two or more tables. Now, it's grabbed master list only because I happen to be sitting on that. That's not what I'm wanting to merge. I'm wanting to bring together information from the order table and the order details table into one table. So I'm going to change this to orders, and there's a preview of what's in the orders table. I want to merge the orders table with the order details table, and so there's the order details, so that I can see who the customer was, when the order was placed, and then in here I can see what the quantity and the prices were. Now the field that these two have in common is order ID, so I click on order ID and then I click on order ID. So it's going to see that this is how the data relates, is by order number or order ID. Now you do have join kinds here, and left join is the one that we're going with. Left join basically means give me all the orders in the orders table and the details if they've got them. Whereas if you went for a right join or right outer, you would actually be saying give me everything from the order details and only the information from orders if there was something. Yeah, so your join types are quite important. If you want for an inner join, you'd be saying only give me those that matched between the two tables. I'm sticking with a left outer because that is probably the most common in a one-to-many relationship, and I'm just going to go OK. And so what I end up with is a new query called merge one, and I have the columns from both the orders table and the order details table all merged horizontally into one table. So I've got one source of truth. I would like to rename this query, so I'll press F2 and I'm just going to call it orders and their details.